Welcome to My Dream Academy, Hyderabad, Dilshuknagar. I am Chalapathi Mathematics. So previous two videos I am discussed about the concepts and applications of circles and system of circles on the basis of JEE Mains 24 concepts. Now the concept is coming as a third video, say in the continuation, that is the conic section part 1. Part 1 is parabola for EAPCET as well as the Mains 24 second phase. So first question will be vertex of the parabola x square term they are given, x square plus 8x plus 12y plus 4 equals 0. How to find out? Usually the general method what we discuss, we are standardize this and make it as a comparison of the standard 8 equations and then we can obtain the vertex. But in this section, what is the easy method? To find the vertex of the given parabola, first check the parabola is x square wise or y square wise. If it is x square x by 4 like that it comes, find blindly the derivative of the given equation with respect to x. Sir, what about x? Y, sir? Y is a constant. So x square derivative is 2x, 8x derivative is 8, 2x plus 8 equals 0, x equal to minus 4. Put this x equal to minus 4 in the given parabola equation, we are going to get y equal to 1. Hence, the vertex is nothing but minus 4 comma 1. That should the first option. Similarly, if the equation comes y square, then differentiate the given equation with respect to y and then treat as x equals 0. That is a simple technique. And one more line, the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. How to find out the length of lattice rectum means, here also you observe that equation. Equation is given what? X square minus 6x plus 16y plus 25 equals 0 mode. Then length of lattice rectum is nothing but coefficient of y by coefficient of x square. Length never be negative, that's why you can protect the modulus. Length of lattice rectum is coefficient of y by coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of y, sir? 16. Coefficient of x square is 1. 16 by 1 is 16. Suppose in this, if the equation like previous, y square term they are given like that, ay square plus by plus cx plus d model, then to locate the length of lattice rectum, coefficient of x by coefficient of y square. In this coefficient of x is how much? C. Coefficient of y square is a. This is a very simple technique how to find out vertex and length of lattice rectum. So the next concept is, the point 3, 4 is the focus and directrix is given for the parabola. Then its length of lattice rectum they are asking. Previously, equation of parabola is given, they are asked us to first question is length of lattice rectum and vertex we are finding. Here what? They are given focus and directrix both are given. They are asked us to frame the length of lattice rectum value. So here you can observe that one, general, it is, don't take it as an x and y axis. This is the baseline or parabola axis. It is a parabola axis, not x axis, parabola axis. So focus is on the axis. So this is the parabola vertex and z is the point where the directrix line meet the parabola axis. A concept behind the basic, since A is the midpoint of, the vertex is the midpoint of z and s, where sz is nothing but what? The perpendicular distance from focus to the directrix. You are calculate perpendicular distance, we are getting 1 by root 13. Since length of lattice rectum, AS is always as A units, length of lattice rectum is 4A, what we have described. 4A is nothing but 2 times of S to Z. 2 times of Z means 2 times of 1 by root 3, that comes 2 by root 13 is the length of lattice rectum of the parabola. This is the concept of. Next concept question is again, how to find out a lattice rectum. Lattice rectum of a parabola whose focal chord is SP, PSQ is given, where SP length is 3 and SQ is 2 is given by. So this is the parabola general and this is the parabola axis. So here the concept is what? A chord is the line joining of the 2 points on the parabola, but whenever a chord passing through focus is called focal chord PSQ, because here P and Q are 2 points, PSQ is, but don't think that PSQ is perpendicular, not necessary. If that is the case, that becomes a what? Lattice vector. It is a chord passing through. That's why the better touch we can give it like this. Please see. Instead of keeping an idea, because here SP is 3 and SQ is 2, both are unequal. Unequal means what? You can make the things like this. No doubt. You can keep the P as somewhere and Q is like that. Line join these two, PSQ. Now there is no contradict. Is it sir PS and SQ are symmetric or equal? Not necessary, because here they are mentioned SP 3 and SQ is 2. So 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ equal to 1 by A. Substitute blindly the given concepts, numbers 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by A. From this we are getting as A equal to 6 by 5. They are asking, the question is what is the length of lattice rectum? So length of lattice rectum is 4A. 4A is nothing but 4 into already derived 6 by 5. That comes the 24 by 5 is the answer. In this, very important, if the PS equal to SQ, then that is called what? Lattice rectum. Here what? A focal chord condition. Okay, please. Yes, the next design is, they are asking the equation of directrix. You observe that the slight change in these two questions. Equation of directrix to the parabola, they are given y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 5 equal 0. Option they are given. Let given equation standardize. Y square minus 6y minus 2x minus 5. Y square as it is 6, you can rearrange. Manipulate the 2 into 3y. Between 2 and y, 3 will be new term. So add 3 square, subtract 3 square, 9. Remaining 2 terms as it is. Then that will be coming as a standard design. Y minus k whole square. This comes as what? Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h pattern. So we are getting as a vertex. So coming back, so 4a is equal to 2. 4a equal to 2, a equal to 1 by 2. So equation of directrix, because the equation in terms of y square, equation of directrix means normally if the curve like this y square term, directrix is coming at the left side. So that's why it comes as what? X plus 7 plus a value directly add. X plus 7, this x plus h plus a, that comes 2x plus 15 is the answer. Next question the same. Equation of directrix to the parabola, you observe these two. Here there is given y square, but here there is given x square term. X square minus 6x plus 16y plus 25 equal 0. Let given equation manipulate the like previous. X square as it is, minus 6 you can write minus 2 into, extra piece 3 into x, add 3 square, subtract 3 square, remaining 2 terms keep as it is, that comes down x minus 3 whole square equal to minus 16y minus 16. Here also coming as, you observe that one, this is the standard. X minus h whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Like this will be coming. Now the question comes x square term. That's why here the equation may be coming as like this. It is y square is equal to 4ax model, roughly I am writing. But it is x square equal to 4ay. It is the positive side. If it is the negative side, is coming down. Now the 4a is equal to minus 16, a got negative. Equation of directrix is simply, because it is an x square, y plus 1 plus this a. Y plus 1, a is minus 4, y minus 3 is the answer. So option C is the correct. These are the two, observe the similar patterns. Directrix when parabola is given y square equal to mode, and directrix when parabola is given as x square mode. Next pair of the questions are, when a line touches the parabola, what is the condition? When a line touches the parabola, where it touches, the point of contact. 7th, if 2y equal to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 6x, then what is the k value? For this, a very simple way, if a line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x, condition is c equal to a by m. First write the standard way of the equation. 2y equal to 5x plus k can able to monitor y equal to mx plus c model 5 by 2x plus k by 2. Parabola is y square equal to 6x. We can able to turn y square equal to 6x, the 4a equal to 6 and a equal. Identify the a and m values. Then c equal to a by m. C is y equal to mx plus c. C k by 2 you can substitute. A is what? 3 by 2. By m is 5 by 2. 2 cancel, cross multiplication. K is 6 by 5. That is the option D. Same question for point of contact. If the line touches the parabola y square equal to 4x at the point P, then what is the point of contact P? Two methods. The advantage is the verification of options. You can put these first value in both line as well as curve. Whichever the point satisfied, that will be coming. Instead of that one, better you can think about a concept. Whenever a line y equal to mx plus c touches the parabola, then point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. So a is 4a equal to 4, a is 1, and in this question y equal to mx plus c, m is minus 2 by 3. Simple substitution, a by m square, 2a by m, 1 by m square. M is how much? Y equal to mx plus c, minus 2 by 3 whole square, 4 by 9. Keep it as comma 2 by 2a, 2 into 1, 2 by m again minus 2 by 3. And 2 and 2 cancel. 9 by 4 minus 3, where it is located? The last option. 9 by 4 comma minus 3. It's the last option will be 9 by 4 minus 3. The D option is the correct. Please. Next pair of questions. How to find out angle between the pair of tangents drawn from an outside point to the parabola. Suppose the P is a point x1 comma y1, and two tangents we can draw, that PT1 and PT2. How to find out angle between the pair of tangents? So angle between pair of tangent drawn from minus 2 minus 1 to the parabola y square equal to 4x is alpha. Then what is tan alpha? Point P minus 2 minus 1, which is nothing but x1 comma y1. This is nothing but we can identify x1 comma y1. And parabola y square equal to 4x. Bring it one side, y square minus 4x equal 0, a equal to 1. So tan alpha formula you must remember is x1 plus a divided by root s11. Root s11 is length of tangent, root s11. So x1 plus a, what is x1? Minus 2. A is 1, minus 2 plus 1 divided by y1 square minus 4x1. y1 square means here 1 square minus 4 into, you should not forget, minus 2. Minus or minus plus. So 1 plus 8, 9 coming out of the root is 1 by 3. So tan alpha 1 by 3 means option B. Last question. If two lines kx plus 3y plus 2 equal 0, 3x minus 2y plus 9 equal 0 are conjugate lines with respect to parabola y square equal to 4x, then what will be the k value? You must remember this is the condition. If two lines L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal 0, L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal 0 are two conjugate lines with respect to standard parabola y square equal to 4x. Condition is L1 N2 plus L2 N1 equal 2a M1 M2. Blind follow. L1 is what? Here the given k. K is L1, M1 3, N1 2, L2 3, M2 minus 2, N2 is 9. So you can substitute, you are getting 9k plus 6 equal 2 into A1, 3 into minus 2. 9k plus 6 equal to minus 12, k will be coming as minus 2. Here option D will be matching that. With this, the first part of the parabola and the basic part, concept, EAPCET point of view completed. In my next continuation video of the second part, I am going to discuss JEE Mains and applications of parametric equations of the tangent normal. Thank you to all, and please remember that if you are satisfied with the video and teaching, please share this video with your friends, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe My Dream Academy channel. Thank you to all.